Rule number 3. Okay. Achha. Rule number 3 is sometimes we first of all, go to the example. The poor always dishonest. Achha. 2 examples. The poor are not always dishonest. The old are gold. Means mostly in commonly we say old is gold. But whenever it is added with the, it becomes a community. Means the old people, the poor people. So whenever the is added with an adjective takes plural verb. Understood? So whenever it becomes a community, okay, now it has become a community. The poor people, the old people, it has taken. Achha. One more thing that we know, that suppose one, if I say a sentence, Ram and Rahim go to school, means connected with and. Two subjects or two nouns connected with and, it will go means with the plural form of the verb. Okay. But one exception is there. That exceptional rule I am giving. I think that it need not to write. Ram and Sham both are going. Whenever two nouns are added with and, then we know that it will take plural form of the verb. Suppose both of you are going, so your names are added and they are going to particular place. Okay, and will be followed by plural verb. Okay. Now, what is the exception? I am writing here. Rule number 5. When and is followed by no, not, the verb agrees with the word preceding not or no. Okay. Now here I am giving you an example. Only the boys, not the girl, only the boys, not the girl, are guilty. Can you tell me why are is used here in this sentence? Tell me. Tell me in these sentences which are the means verbs here. First of all, let us find out which are the verbs in these sentences. The boy is not the girl. Where are the verbs? Here are, yes. Here in the second sentence. Huh? Verb. Yes, have. So why are is used? Girl is singular verb. Yes, that is the rule. Means and is preceded by not. Okay. Only the boys and. Means not is preceded by and. No, not is preceded by and. That's why this subject has been taken for this verb. Here also not is preceded by and. Okay, that's why this verb is taken by the subject. Understood? This will be the rule. Very important. Number 6. Two singular nouns added by and for the same person or dish by singular verb. I'm writing here sentence. The captain and the manager of the team has arrived. One sentence. We say now this very famous proverb, slow and steady wins the race. That story of rabbit and tortoise. That day the full story had come in social media that I was reading it out. Two more parts were there which we don't know actually. Two more races were held between tortoise and this rabbit. Read it out whenever you get time. So now, two singular nouns, you see the captain and the manager for the same person, then it will be followed by singular verb. And slow and steady means one person, slow and steady man wins the race. Okay. Suppose, one more thing, bread and butter. Bread and butter is my favorite. Okay, is my favorite. A particular dish. Bread and butter is a particular dish. So here we will use singular verbs whenever we get names of books, newspapers, in plural, takes singular verb. Suppose the Arabian Nights. I forgot the KNIGHTS, the Arabian Nights. I forgot the spelling. KNIGHTS or NIGHTS. Arabian Nights. KNI, no? Yes. The Arabian Nights is a famous book. See, actually this is a single book, no? That's why Arabian Nights means here chapters are given. So in this way, it is written like that. Names of books, suppose the Hindustan Times or the Times of India, no, the Hindustan Times. We know that whenever S is added, it becomes a plural. But Hindustan Times is a name of a newspaper. Then it will be followed by singular verb. Okay. Next is 7. A phrase of measurement. takes singular verb. Suppose 50 miles is a long distance. Two kilometers has to be completed. Completed. Any sentence is coming in your mind, you can share about this measurement. Any sentence measurement to everyday, that is our everyday work, no? Acha, do you know this thing? 1 dozen. If we write one, then it will be mile, isn't it? 1 mile. 2 kilometer, 1 kilometer, isn't it? 1 dozen, 12. 12 will be what? Dozen, yes. 12 dozen. Don't write dozens, it's wrong. The plural form of dozen is dozen. Okay. So, in this way we will write singular verb.